everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here. Thank you for making it. My name is Anya Braun. Here on my channel we talk about Black businesses, artists, entertainment, and information. And today we've got a very special edition of the Black-owned brands that I would buy from if I had the coin. In fact, actually make that the Black-owned brands that I will buy from once I have the coin, because we're manifesting here, right? Also, sidebar, if you look at my lace, you're anti-black. And if you notice, I am using this iPhone, whatever you call it, for the mic. Because in the last video, you may have seen the mic issues were kind of getting out of hand. Last announcement slash sidebar, my face is sweating really bad because I just got out of the 100-degree heat in the city from taking pictures outside. So if my lip is sweating, if I have a sweat stash, then you need to mind your business, you know? As always, before we start the video, make sure that you are subscribed to this channel if you want to be a real one. Like the video, leave a comment, let me know what Black-owned brands you want to buy from, Black-owned designer brands, Black-owned brands in general. You know that this is what this page is all about. So definitely leave a comment and follow me on my other socials. I am at Anya Braun Beauty on Instagram and at Anya Braun Foodie on TikTok, ANJABRAUNFOODIE. And let's hop right into it. Let's just begin. I did have to turn on the air there, so hopefully it doesn't make any microphone issues. Also, this microphone sounds even better than the one that I bought on Amazon for like $57. So I'm kind of mad about that. Maybe I should have been doing this sooner. Let me know if you think it's distracting being in here, because normally you can't see it's on my shirt, but regardless, let us go. Okay, so the first brand that we are going to talk about is Shop Babes. I am obsessed, as you know, or if you read the title or just heard me in the last 30 seconds, you will know that I don't have any pieces from any of these brands because, you know, obvious reasons, but I will be. So I can't really say how the quality is. I can't give you like a realistic picture of if it's like actually worth it or not, but these are the brands that I follow, I look at. They've got good quality from the reviews that I've seen and super cute stuff. So take this for what you will. Anyways, Shop Babes, they're pretty neutral vibes, and they have a lot of like sets, like kind of lounging sets, sweatshirt sets. The one that I really am obsessed with is the sweatshirt dress. It's like $70, of course, and like I can't justify that, but I really wish I could. And like at some point in the very near future, maybe if you subscribe to this channel, you know, we get the views up, watch time up, then maybe we can afford some of the things and then I can model them for you. But that is the one piece from Shop Babes that I am obsessed with. And I love it. I love the whole thing. If I didn't already mention it, I don't think I did. Everything will be, all the sites will be linked down below, so you can go check out everything. If you would like, I can put down the links to my favorite things, and then you can check out the other ones on the site. Okay, next brand is, you may have guessed it, Telfar. A Telfeezy, bitch, a Telfeezy. Telfeezy, bitch, a Telfeezy. Easy breezy, bitch. Obviously, Telfar is super popular right now. It's all of the rage for all of the best reasons. I mean, period. Black luxury? Okay, fine. If I must, I'll take it. So I would love to get my hands on a Telfeezy. They are, once again, luxury brand, so pretty expensive, out of my current price range, but they're basically handbags. I want to say they're like leather, faux leather moment handbags, and they're super cute. And they're, you know, for the community. There's a whole backstory about Telfar and making luxury items that are more accessible to an actual community as opposed to exclusivity, which I think is very interesting. So if you'd like to learn more, then I will link that down below too, about like what the actual, you know, mission statement or whatever is there. But I do think that's really cool, and we love to support a Black-owned business here, period. This next one, I do not know how to pronounce because I'm kind of a bad person. It is CISE. So is it CISE? CISE? I don't know. I don't know the name. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm really sorry. But they have the bags that are also super popular right now. I love this for us. The Protect Black Women bags, the Protect Black People bags, and they have the, what is it called? I don't know. I'm not a designer. What is it called when you have the words that you can like touch, you know, like not braille, but like they pop out of the thing. They're not just like painted on, you know, if that makes any sense. You'll see, because maybe I'll put a picture or something. But I love those as well. Great statement right on the bag. Like, all of these racist ass luxury brands who are doing blackface when you could just, if you want to buy a luxury bag and make an actual statement, then do it. Protect Black people, period. Next up is the brand Neon Cowboys. When I tell you, if you are a festival girl, if that's your vibe, you will eat up Neon Cowboys like it's fucking the Chinese buffet. Like, you will absolutely love it. This is right up your alley. I don't know how they're making this. Like, legitimately, what is the technology here? No idea. Could not tell you why everything lights up. I don't know. Why does the hat light up? I don't know. Why are the cowboy boots lighting up? I don't understand it. But it's so fucking sick. I love it. This would be like honestly one of the first pieces that I would get. You know, once we get the subscriber count up and, you know, the brand deals start rolling in even more, then I keep playing with my hair because I literally don't know what it looks like, and it's like sticking to my face. I just can't. But yeah, Neon Cowboys is so dope. I'll have to put a picture on this one too, because this shit is just crazy. Like, how are they doing it? Fashionable, cute, wearable, and it like lights up, and it is like not just lighting up like it's actually sickening. And they just, you know what they just did? Neon Cowboys just made I don't know if they made the whole costumes or just the belts or something for the City Girls performance on the BET Awards. So if you saw that, that was Neon Cowboys. Okay, next up we have a brand called Tahan. I believe that's how you say it. It is, let me look at my notes here, T-E-J-A-H-N. So Tahan, Tahan. Why am I like the worst at pronouncing things? I feel like it's Tahan, right? I'm gonna say that. If it's not, once again, I apologize. However, they have, I'm looking down at my notes if you see me looking down. Once again, if you look at my lace, you are anti-black. But they sell shoes, which is so exciting because I have a really hard time finding black-owned shoe brands that I like vibe with, but they sell super cute, like these strappy sandals and all these different colors. They have some boots, just all around shoes. Excuse me. But oh my God, again, am I going through puberty? But once again, they have super cute shoes, heels, boots, all kinds of other ones. I love it. I'm living for it. Uniqueness. Once again, can't really give you anything about quality. I've never tried it, but it looks good. I don't know. Okay, the next brand is Peru. I don't know if that should have an accent or what, but Peru has graphic letter like jumpsuits and sets. They look super dope. Like, they're unique. If you haven't guessed already, I love something that's a little bit trendy, a little bit classic, a little bit basic, but also still very unique. And I feel like that's what we're getting. You know, you just love it. It's giving you all the good vibes. You're feeling all the good feelings. You can't go wrong. You cannot go wrong with a jumpsuit or a matching set. Like, you just cannot. I just learned the word cord, so it's over for you bitches. You will see me in a cord. Okay, and next up again is Oxymoron Fashion House. So they're actually local to Philly, and I did I find out about them? Maybe, I think I did, through the Philly Create event, which is hosted by Sam. Shout out Sam, thank you for that. And they are a black designer house here local to Philly. Absolutely love them. They've got fun prints, gowns. I'm pretty sure that they do like custom stuff too, like custom gowns and all of that, but real cute, flirty, like girly, also can give you some glamorous, really whatever that you want, you can definitely find it there. So this one that we have next is not an actual brand of clothing or anything, but this is just something I want to do. It's an experience. And that is Wine Garden West, also local to Philly. When I tell you they have the best looking brunch that I've ever seen as far as like just the vibes. I'm pretty sure they have like a bottomless mimosa situation. They've got buffet, is it style? I don't know. But they've got food, drinks, the whole thing. Like the venue, so cute. They've got a DJ. I want to say they do it like every Saturday. And everyone dresses up and they twerk in the park. Okay, period. And it's run by Black women. There's all Black women there. I'm like, okay, like literally sign me up. Like, put me in, coach. This is what dreams are made of. That's me. Like, that's me when I think about Wine Garden West. Now, granted, the tickets are expensive, okay? We're talking over $100 for one person, which is a lot, right? It's a lot. It would definitely be a special occasion kind of moment. However, like I said, if you can do it, when I can do it, I'll definitely be taking you along with me so that you can see the vibes. Because I just know it's immaculate. I just know it's immaculate. Black women in luxury. Next up, we have House of Phantom. Dun, 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 dun. So they're a fashion house in New York City, and they have that signature, is the word hem? Once again, not a designer, no idea. But it's kind of like it's like a distressed sweater fabric for most of their pieces, but in like a high fashion way. It's not like dingy, if that makes sense, but it does have that like ruffly hem, which is like super popular now. And some of their stuff, like I said, it's just kind of like distressed, but like in a high fashion couture way. So I love that for them. And I would love to, is it the skirt? Oh my God, was it the skirt or the shirt? I don't remember if it's the skirt or the shirt is my favorite one, but I'll link it down below so you can see that too. Okay, and last but not least, we have the brand 1130, and that is owned by the influencer, content creator. I don't know if it's tiara. I'm not sure, once again, how to pronounce it. I hate getting people's names wrong because I get my name pronounced wrong all the time, but at the same time, I have literally no idea how to pronounce it. So I want to say Tiara Monet. It is her brand. It is curvy friendly. It is trendy, stylish. It's giving you like, what is the word? It's giving you, I want to say that it's giving you like a Pretty Little Thing, Fashion Nova type vibe, but also for the curvy girls and also for the brown girls, you know? Like it's just that kind of vibe. They've got pants, all kinds of stuff, but they've got a lot of stuff that's like a little bit, I don't want to say hoeing because it's not like, we're not fully there like how I would like us to be, but you can get some stuff that's like not like your grandma's little, oh my God, like you can have some actual like cute stuff, show a little bit of skin, do your thing, and be good. Alrighty, so that is all the brands that I have for you today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. I really hope that you enjoyed learning about these new brands. Maybe if you do have the coin and then you do purchase some of these, please let me know what you think of them. I'd love to hear your review, your opinion. If you'd like to hear about Black-owned brands, then make sure you subscribe to this channel where we do everything to uplift Black voices. I feel like a infomercial, but make sure that you're subscribed. Make sure that you like this video. Leave a comment, like I said. And I don't really know. I feel like this is pretty much all that I have left for you. Watch a couple more videos because you know there's a playlist. You know there's a playlist of all the different Black-owned brands. My favorite ones, my favorite skincare, hair care, all of that will also be linked down below. Buttah by Dorian and Natural on the head, which you can't really see obviously because I do have a wig on. And I think that's it. I think that's it. Subscribe. I don't know. I'm in a silly mood. Okay. Have a great day. Have a great life. Do what it is that you do and follow me for more. Bye.